Hi guys, real quick, I just want to go over this GX-6750 brother printer. Pretty great shape, I would guess. No fading, no marks. Still has the box and plastic tape, plastic bag that comes with it. Correction tape, new ink here. We're just going to go over it. You got the cover here, it snaps off. That fits in just like this. There. You can line up the paper on the arrow. Good enough for me. The government work. We'll turn it on. Okay, we can hit code A. Code A advances the paper. Nice and quiet. There you go. And then you hit code Q to straighten everything up. Return, get it back to the beginning. Now I'm going to hit this code right here for you to show you guys that it works good, which is backspace. I don't know if I have the stretch anymore. There we go. This is the test or the demo that shows that it works good. I don't know if it does the correction ribbon. This condition, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'll probably try to double box it the best I can for you. And also, as usual, my stuff is free shipping. Just email me. Again, you get the two of the correction ribbons and that. This correction ribbon looks like it's just about out. So, thank you guys.